talking an Irish accent. No, really.
No, I'm not talking in an Irish accent.
Yes, do it.
No, I'm not going to do it.
Why not?
Because I'm not Irish.
So you can do it.
Because I can't talk Irish.
There you go.
No, I can't talk Irish. Anyway.
Say it. Talk Irish right down to me. And I'll tell you if it's okay.
Hi, I'm Eric McKellar. Eric McKellar.
There you go.
Welcome.
To McKellar.
I'm recording. Welcome back to Keller's Grillzebo. I'm Eric, but this is my kitchen. This week, I joined in a collaboration with the guys from Just Cook the Damn Food, and we're doing a Stpatricksday collaboration. So, what I decided to do was my rendition of a Dublin Coddle, and I'm going to see if I can talk my wife over here into making a soda bread that would go along with this coddle. Anyway, let's get started. That's good. That's got some sweet to it. Can't wait to put some butter on this and try this. I'm gonna try some of that stew too. Get some bread, some stew. Join me next time. Thanks a lot for watching.